Hello everybody, this is Jack, Rock and Roll Amps. Thought it might be interesting to show you a jack that I use occasionally on amplifiers. This is one of the coolest jacks I've ever come across. It's called a Switchcraft Type 13. Now if you look at it, it's very interesting. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 solder connections. Over here, this is where the tip of your 1/4-inch jack makes contact. So this officially is the hot. This is a nylon bumper that gets pushed out of the way. Okay, so normally when nothing is in the jack, this is shorted to this. Okay, so this outside leg over here is the same piece of metal that has this connection hole over here, and this switched area inside is this connection over here. So right now, if you were to put an ohmmeter across here, there would be 0 ohms over here because these are shorted together. Now if I put a plug in there, if you could see it, the tip is making contact with the hot. The tip is pushing this nylon bumper out of the way, so it then pushes the switch to the open position. So it's no longer making contact with this point over here. So now if you were to put an ohmmeter between here and here, it would read open. Okay, and now this is your ground right here. Okay, so what's the cool thing about this and what do I use it for? Okay, so let's say I mount a normal Switchcraft jack. When I say normal, I mean, let's say a jack like this. Either one like that, or one with 2 connections, just a hot and a ground. This is all you need for a speaker, okay? So this is this one, and this is this one. So what happens? Normally, this would be mounted on your chassis, okay? Normally, this is grounded, and this gets the hot of the signal side of the low side of the output transformer, okay? So when nothing is plugged into this jack, which is mounted, let's say, on the back of the cabinet, when nothing is plugged in here, the speaker that's plugged in here, which is normally the internal speaker of a combo amplifier, it sees the signal from the output transformer, and you could follow the path. The signal comes through here, goes down here, the switch is closed, and it goes right to here, and then you have your speaker cable in there. Okay, now what happens if you put a plug in over here? When you put the plug in, the tip makes contact with the hot and pushes this away, opening this switch. Okay, so now the speaker that's connected here no longer has any signal. So now the signal is going straight to here, because when it goes this way, this is open because there's a plug plugged in. So now whatever speaker is plugged into the cabinet mounted jack, meaning this Type 13, that's where the signal is going. So what I use it for is this would be used for the internal speaker. But let's say I want to plug it into a nice 412 Marshall cabinet, and I don't want the internal speaker on. So I mount this to the rear side of the cabinet on a metal plate. I drill a hole in the back, make a custom plate, wire it up, and then just let's make believe this is the speaker wire. Just plug this into the Marshall cabinet and into this jack, and boom, the internal speaker is disconnected automatically, and now the external cabinet is in full play. Anyway, I hope you understood that, and it's a very cool thing to remember. Take care.